flowers. Look. Feel this. Look, feel it. Feel it. It feels like a little rug. It feels like a little rug. Yeah. Yes. It's soft. It's soft like a rug. Yeah, soft like a rug. Look. Look. Amy and Hakeem rubbing the plant. Yeah, the head's still there. Hakeem, look. Look, here's a bunny. Come here. Look. Here's a bunny. Look at the bunny. Yeah. Bunny. Bunny. Yeah. Bunny, you want to touch him? Yeah. Nice bunny. Now we have to teach you how to pull weeds. You and your cousins. Come to Grammys and pull weeds. Hakeem, look. Come here. Look at the birdhouse. Look. The little house for the bird. Yeah. Look. See? Little bird goes in here. Yeah. This little nail's got to go in here. Here's the car. Here's the car. Don't pull. You'll hurt yourself. Come, you want to go look for more flowers? Come on. Grammy's got another birdhouse to show you. Look, down here. Look. Look, down here. Go slow. Look, there's another birdhouse. The roof? Be careful. Yeah, be careful. Yeah. Okay, come over here. Grandma's going to show you the mushrooms. Come over here. Look. Look at the mushrooms. I like them.
They're great.
Yeah, you see the mushrooms? Don't you think they're pretty cool, the mushrooms, John? For all this hair on my face.
Yeah, it looks like pottery. They're beautiful.
Okay. Give Grammy this hand. Yuck. 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 Yuck.